Sammy here. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes to make for midweek dinners, summer parties, barbecues, or when you just have friends over and you want something that is fulfilling but light and refreshing as well. It is our roast chicken vermicelli salad. It is in our summertime sides and salads cookbook, but today I'm going to show you how to make it from start to end so you can do it at home as well. And this is a fantastic recipe to use any leftover chicken or even roast turkey that you might have in the fridge. Today I've used roast chicken from Costco, so it is a cheap and easy meal to make.
So let's get started. What we need to do is prep all the salad ingredients first. So you can shred up your chicken, your cabbage, red onion, and your herbs. You need about a cup of roast chicken, 3 cups of shredded cabbage, half a red onion, and about a cup of herbs. With the cabbage, you can use red or white or both, like I've done here. And with your herbs, the original recipe calls for half a cup of mint and half a cup of cilantro or coriander. But because I didn't have cilantro in the fridge, I've just used Vietnamese mint instead, or you can just use plain mint. Whatever you have in the fridge, this salad works. So just finely chop that up and scatter that into the salad later. What you also need to do is prepare your vermicelli noodles. So just need 100 grams of that and just cook as per packaging. So with the fish sauce dressing, we need about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then some chili flakes and minced garlic. The minced garlic and the chili flakes, you can pretty much add to taste. So if you like it more garlicky, add more garlic, and then you can also add more chili flakes if you like. So when it comes to assembling, just basically put all your ingredients in a bowl. So you've got your red cabbage, your vermicelli noodles, your red onion and your herbs, as well as your roast chicken, and then dress it with your salad dressing. Give it a good mix, toss it up all together, make sure the dressing is fully coating all the noodles and the cabbage. And then at the end, what you need to do, of course, is scatter on those crispy fried shallots. So I have just used store-bought fried shallots because we always have a jar of that in the pantry. Of course, you can make your own, but store-bought is as good as. So scatter as much as you like. I like to put in at least a good cup or half a cup of crispy fried shallots because I love that texture. And you just need to mix it all up and serve. So that's it. It's a super easy salad to make and it's refreshing, it's light, but it's also super satisfying with the roast chicken and the noodles that everyone will love.
I hope you enjoyed that recipe and that you will make it at home as well. You'll find many more of these recipes in our summertime cookbook, so check out on our website. Enjoy. See ya.